channel Learn with NABEEL. Today's topic is English language. But please subscribe my channel. Now let's start our lesson number 1, alphabet. Now move on the board. There are 26 letters in alphabet. 5 for main vowel A, E, I, O, U, and while this special vowel, we will talk about it later. And other are consonants. Now let's start our alphabets. A is vowel, B is consonant, C is consonant, D is consonant, E is vowel, F, G, H are consonant, I is vowel, J, K, L, M, N are consonant, O is vowel, P, Q, R, S, T are consonant, U is vowel, V, W, X are consonant, Y is the special vowel, Z is the last word, consonant. Now let's move on the another part. Examples: bat, have, sit, hot, hut. In this word, A is vowel, B and T are consonant. Egg, E is vowel, G, T are consonant. Sit, I is vowel, S, T are consonant. Cut, O is vowel, C, T are consonant. Hut, U is vowel and X, T are consonant. Now I will tell you about why it's so special. Look at here, Y word. Y. In this word, Y sound like I. Bicycle. In this word, Y sound like beauty. In this word, Y sound like E. U and S are consonant. Why? Because Y is coming beginning of the word. When Y comes beginning of the word, or it makes ya sound. For example, U and yes, they are consonant. So guys, you got it. 5 main vowel A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. Now repeat with me to remember it. 5 main vowel A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. 5 main vowel A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. 5 main vowel A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. That's the end of the video, kids. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching it. So please subscribe it, share it, and like it. Bye bye.